Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speaker of English channel. This is the place where learning English feels easy, comfortable, calm, and queer. I'm Daniel, your guide on this English learning journey. And today, joining us again is Mia.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy you're here today.
Today is day 9, and today we'll talk about food. Food is something we talk about every day, with friends, with family. So relax. This will feel very natural. Let's begin. Before we start, let's remember something important. From day 1 to day 8, you already said sentences like, I am learning English. I live in a house. My home is comfortable. You didn't rush. You didn't translate. You just spoke. That is progress.
It feels easier now.
That's because you are building a habit. What does I like mean? Today's key sentence is very simple. Listen, I like. I like means something is good for you, something you enjoy. Food is perfect for this.
So I can talk about my favorite food.
Exactly. Now listen to some food words. Rice, bread, fruit, vegetables, chicken. All are simple.
I like rice.
Perfect. Now you try. Say, I like. Good. Now let's talk about favorite food. You can say, I like pizza. I like fruit. I like home food. All are correct.
I like home food. It feels comforting.
That's a great choice. Now, one more simple idea. You can also say, I don't like. For example, I don't like spicy food. You don't need to explain. Just say it.
I don't like very spicy food.
That sounds natural. Now, let's put it together. Listen first. I like rice. I like vegetables. I don't like spicy food. Now you try. Take your time.
I like fruit. I like home food. I don't like spicy food.
Very good. Now, pause for a moment. Say these sentences out loud. I like. I don't like. Say them slowly. That's enough. Today, you spoke about food. That's everyday English. Your task today, talk about food 2 times today. Comment below, day 9 done. Tomorrow, we'll talk about your daily habits.
Enjoy your food today and see you in day 10.